Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In this video, it's another get it all done with me. I've got to start by taking down all of my Easter decor. I left it up for quite a while, but I just loved all the bunnies and everything. I just think it was so cute. So I was kind of sad about taking it all down, but now that it's down, I do feel better to just have a more neutral decor, and it just reminds me of how fresh and clean it feels that way. Also, if you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Casey and I make lots of cleaning, motivation, lifestyle, decorating videos on my channel. So if that is the type of thing you like, make sure you are subscribed because I put out a video every single week. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. We would love for you to join our little fam here on YouTube. As you can see, I did still leave my spring florals and everything. I just took down everything that was Easter themed and left some spring touches throughout the house, like these little bits of flowers. I just think they are a fun touch. And there's Buddy and Little Bear. That's Little Bear. She is a Pomeranian and Buddy is a Boston Terrier. They both just turned 5. They were born a day apart and we got them on the same day when they were puppies, and they are just inseparable. And fun fact, they like to bring all of their toys underneath the dining room table to play with. Now that I've got all of the Easter decor down, which wasn't a very difficult task, I am going to be cleaning in the boys' bathroom. I just went in there to put some fresh towels and I noticed it was pretty messy, so I made them come in here and pick up all of their laundry and bring all of their dirty laundry from their rooms into the hamper. And then I decided to just go ahead and freshen it up a bit in here. I noticed their bathtub was looking a little dirty, so I decided to just go ahead and clean it while I was in here and get it over with. That is always a dreaded task, is cleaning the bathroom, because it's just so difficult, like leaning over the bathtub, and like I guess I could get in there with my socks, but I just didn't feel like it. I had shoes on and I don't know, I didn't feel like getting too in depth, but I think I did pretty good job. I still have to order a new shower curtain liner to freshen that up as well. Do you have any shower cleaning tips? If you do, leave them in the comments down below because I would love to hear them, because that's one of the things I hate doing is cleaning the shower. I do have a bath and shower tool, but I was just looking at it thinking how much I hated it and that I want to get something new. So if you have any recommendations, I would love to hear them, like something on a stick that I can just reach in there and start scrubbing. I did have to stand on the edge of the tub to clean the top of the shower, but I decided to spare you that footage. Now I'm just going to do a quick mop with my Bissell Spin Wave. I love this mop. It's basically like a glorified Swiffer. It sprays out cleaning solution and there's 2 rotating pads and it's like almost self-propelled. It's so powerful. It is amazing. I will link it in the description box down below. They have the Crosswave, which like shampoos carpet and stuff. You have to clean a tank out, and that's just too much. I just want to mop the floor and be done with it. I don't want to have to clean out the tank, so that's why I like that. But now that I am done with the bathroom, I am just moving on to the kitchen. This is just everything that I have to do in a day. I always say there's just not enough hours in the day to do all of my house chores. Like now that it's summer, I've been working in the yard, trying to keep up with editing all of my videos and getting things posted, and then just living life. So I'm sure we all experience this where we just can't get everything done. So that's what we're doing today. We are trying to get it all done. Whatever it is that you need to do, let's get motivated together to get it all done.
Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can't help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the worst can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels.
Moving on to my closet, I come here a lot in the evening to kind of straighten up. I think I've skipped the past few evenings because there are clothes everywhere, and that happens a lot, especially on the weekend. If I'm going out, I might try on a few different things, and then it just gets a little crazy in here. So I'm just picking up the clothes that maybe I've tried on or taken down and just thrown on the floor in the haste. I mean, that's a bad habit, but it happens when you're in a hurry. So I'm just hanging everything up and straightening up in here. I like to keep it really clean. This is kind of like my little sanctuary. I really love hanging out in my closet. I know that's weird, but that chair's pretty comfortable, and I just sit there doing my makeup a lot of times, spending extra time in there, just kind of watching videos and stuff. That's just my main relaxing part of the day, is when I'm doing my makeup. I just take a little extra time to just sit in there, hang out, and enjoy the day. All right, it is the next morning, and I haven't even got ready or done my makeup. I just came straight outside on this beautiful day to get some yard work done. I am so excited about everything blooming and all the green and all the flowers and all the birds chirping. Oh my gosh, it just makes me so incredibly happy. I am using this little hedge trimmer to trim the boxwood shrubs around our back patio. I do this every spring. They have so much new growth on them, and then I'm just trying to decide if I want them to get much bigger than they are. I'm just trimming them down. I usually trim them in a round shape. I just think that's fun, so I like to keep them nice and shaped up. You can see my Adirondack chairs that are around my fire pit. They are tipped over. I just ordered some new ones, so I'm excited about that. Those are actually plastic. I got them from, like, I don't know, Lowe's or something. They have them literally everywhere, and they're like $16. Well, they blow around, and I think those are even broken. So I'm excited to get some new heavier duty ones. So those will be here next week, and I'll show you guys when I get that ready. I have a lot more to do out here, but we are just getting started. Now it is the evening, and we did have a couple days where we had some cold weather in the evening, and they had like a frost threat. So I kept my new plants under cover, and I'm just now getting them out. Now that the weather is safe, I got this nice big palm tree and this Kimberly Queen fern. I'm going to get another palm tree for the other pot. And I do have some pink begonias on the other side. I still have a lot of flowers to get, but I didn't want to get them all at one place. I kind of like going to all the different nurseries, and I just love shopping for flowers and plants. I literally sent my husband this exact text yesterday. It says, I just want to go to brunch, drink mimosas, buy plants, wear cute clothes, and then I want to get Mexican food and drink margaritas. That pretty much sums up my weekends. But yeah, I'm just doing a little spring cleaning out here. Sweeping up all of this debris, as you can see, and then I'm going to be cleaning off the table next. Also, if you guys remember my she shed from last year, you could see it in the shot before. I painted it green and pink, and it is just so adorable. I'm going to be doing an entire video of redoing the inside of the shed, which is going to be getting started really soon, so make sure you are stay tuned to see that. It just got really hot and crazy last year, and I didn't want to mess with it, so I'm like, this year I'm going to get it done before summer kicks in, which is coming really soon, you guys. I can't believe it. What do you like to do during the summer? I love gardening and just taking care of all my plants and my lawn. We do a lot of camping and a lot of off-road riding. My husband and I both have razors, so we're always out doing technical trails and riding all day. Our favorite place to ride is Windrock in Tennessee. And of course, brunch, bands, wineries, and Mexican. Some of my favorite things all year round, not just summer, but especially summer. Now I am going to wrap up the evening yet again by folding laundry. Seems like it's all I ever do is laundry, laundry, laundry. I don't know how we have so much laundry, but it is definitely never ending. Am I right? Hit that like button if you agree. But that is going to wrap it up for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on a video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!